What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis, back again with another reaction video. So we are gonna react to a Khasi song straight out of Meghalaya called Jingieid Nyngkong. It's a Khasi love song, and we have a legendary artist singer here, Suchiang and Larihun Lapang. I do not know about Larihun, but we are gonna check out an Nongbri. So I'm excited, and Suchiang is quite a legendary pioneer in the music field out there. He has also sung a couple of Hindi songs which I have listened to, and also Cooler Jongfi that I reacted to, and I think a couple other songs that I reacted of Suchiang. So without wasting any time, without further ado, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what Jingieid Nyngkong has for us on the table. And also do let me know the meaning of this one. And yeah, Kublai Shibun to each and every one of you for all the love and support. Let's just jump right into the video and let's vibe with it. Let's go. Nongbri is the director, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Jingieid Nyngkong. Hey, let's get it. Wow. Nice. Wow. The boy is quite handsome, but I'm loving this scenery more. This one, oh my goodness, the color grading and stuff is also done so amazingly, and this bridge, awesome, and the trees, the mountains, the clouds, skies, awesome. Pakka, I really want to visit this place, and also do let me know where is this place. Such a tall bridge. How great thou art. Wow, she's pretty. Oh. Finally we have English subtitle. I was a little bit worried, but we just gonna vibe with it into my life. Oh, beautiful lake. Hey, I'm getting such a positive romantic vibe from this song, like a wildflower that clings to the rock. I will be clinging to you, my dear beloved, my dear lover, my dear Romeo, my dear Juliet, in that sense the lyrics is, and I'm loving it. Flower, beautiful. Oh, you are my first love. I couldn't forget the love I received from you. It's amazing lyrics. I mean, like so romantic, And wow, this drone shot is amazing. And here the love sign that they have made, and both of them are lying down around that sign. Beautiful cinematography. Whoever is the director, cinematographer, superb. Thumbs up. Beautiful. Oh. Sorry to stop again and again, but that's the whole point of reaction, right? My goodness, this is like heaven on earth. I think I've seen this before, this waterfall, but then now the shots taken from above, and this pinkish greenish, there is steps also, waterfall, everything is like spectacular. It's superb. Meghalaya indeed is a very beautiful place, and definitely I'm going to visit this December, I guess. Yeah, I'm coming to Shillong. Like the river and waterfall. Selfie. Beautiful couple and also beautiful scenery. My goodness, mesmerizing view. See this. Oh, I'm in love with this place, and also this couple looks very, very, very cute. Stay by my side. Wow, beautiful. I really love the lyrics. You know, the girl has so much love and respect for the boy, and at the same time the boy also is adoring the girl from deep within his heart. You know, real love should be like this, the commitment. There should be no lies, no cheating. It would have been wonderful, but you know, the world is filled with lies these days. It's sad, but it's true.
Jingieid Nyngkong ngam la bang klan để tăng yapi để tăng anga kabur iskun jong pi o tăng bat pi ngala rai kun na du do.
This is Shillong, I guess. Wow, beautiful, wonderful, awesome. Jingieid. Wow. Romance. Hey, Bon Appetit Cafe. Superb, superb. Shem Bodlang Nongbri and Abalin Nongklo, the models, the boy and the girl, produced and directed by Full Moon Nongbri, camera and editing by Shikembha Khasi, singer by Ram Suchiang&Larihun Lapang. Ram Suchiang voice was like so melodious. It was like giving joy to the heart, you know, when you listen to his voice. It's full of good vibes, positive vibes. Yeah. And Larihun Lapang is the girl singer, I guess. Yes, she did an amazing job. The voice, the girl's voice is also like piercing straight to the heart. Makeup by the Pikir Hailin El Nongliat. Makeup was also superb. Everything was on point, nothing was off tune. Elvis, Nongbri, Vanlam Dakar, and Shanbor Nongbri, special thanks to you all. I think this is all we got. Superb, man, superb. I love it, pakka. No exaggeration, but this was an amazing music video. That bridge, where was that bridge? That bridge was also, oh, not especially this one. Oh, superb. This is like, I don't know what to say, but I really love this view. Like, it gives joy to your heart, when you see this kind of scenery, the creation of God. And at the same time, I really want to visit there. It will be like more joyful when I go in there in person. And yeah, man, cinematography and videography was superb, and it took a lot of hard work. I know they've invested a lot of time and money too in making this music video, I know, and shout out to all of them. It's amazing. And yeah, I will check out more of Larihun Lapang's song also, and Ram Suchiang, a huge respect and shout out to you. And yeah, thank you to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. You guys are amazing, you guys are awesome. I love you all. Thank you so much. Bye. Koblai Shibun. Let's go.